established that the border that everyone agrees with, some people don't, that it goes through Istanbul. But if the whole Turkey is part, then where does Asia start? Now, let's put this. These borders are non-existent. They're just lines that we put on our globe to show whose land is there and whose land is there. They're not useful. It's just a way of us classifying ourselves into different groups so that we can make fun of people in general instead of being specific. Like, a whole continent can be known for one thing because of one country did something bad. Thus, this is the sad story of borders. Borders aren't anything useful. They don't help us with anything, do they?
Okay, before Sarah continues with her explanation, I found a map which followed the standard understanding of what is Europe and what is Asia. Now, by this map, everything looks normal. There is Egypt, which is halfly here, and there's also Russia and Kazakhstan, which is half, which a lot of people believe in, so I'm going to say that's the standard. So this is the standard map of Asia, which means that we finally found the standard map. But by this standard map, that means that Turkey, only the Istanbul part of Turkey is European, which means the other map that we saw is wrong. So, now that we found the standard map, time to explain the backlash that this map could make on people. So, maps are things which we drew on paper. It's dividing two people, the same people, away from each other, which should not ever have been done. So, borders are kind of just stuff separating people from each other. If you want to draw a good border which will not attack anybody, make sure that you understand what is happening in between those lines. You can't just write a straight line on a border and call it a day, like the British did multiple different times.
And has it gone well for them?
No. They've got a lot of backlash for making bad borders which lead to wars and multiple lives getting mispatched and killed. So, now by this conclusion, we know that Europe's border mostly ends at the Kazakhstan region, and that not a lot of people, actually almost zero people, consider all of the overseas territories as part of Europe. So does that mean the overseas territories should gain independence? I'm not sure, because these are still French, and according to what the research from French Guiana's website says, they are happy French territory, so I'm not sure about that. So, thank you for watching this video. We are going to try to make a series of this about questions which we have, which we answer. Thank you for joining us in today's video. Please like and subscribe and ring the notification bell, and we'll see you next time.